stretched thin on the cold, wet street. Every step felt like defeat. But then a spark, a twist in the air, a warmth, a glow. Someone standing there. Golden skies after rain. She appeared, she remained. Every drop turned to light. Every wrong felt so right. She smiled and the storm withdrew. The sun rose just to frame her view. Her laugh cut through like a melody sweet. The puddles danced beneath her feet. Her eyes like fire, her touch like spring. She made the world start shimmering. The clouds broke apart, the gloom said goodbye. She lit the heavens, she painted the sky. Golden sky